you're dating. You've met this young, beautiful love of your life, and you're like, you know what? Ke Motswana. Ke Motswana means they are from Botswana. And you want to impress them with your beautiful Setswana that I will wholly take credit for because I've been your teacher all along. I'm Tofata from Luciga Rights, and let's teach you how to give the perfect compliment on a date. So you're meeting this, I'll pretend I'm a guy, you're meeting this beautiful lady, and you're like, ooh, omontle, omontle, omontle means you're beautiful. You're beautiful. And she would say, ke a leboga, ke a leboga, which means thank you. And you will talk about love, lorato, or lerato. That's love, lorato, or lerato. And you're like, moratiwa, moratiwa, the one who is loved, my beloved, my love, moratiwa. So you might just, you know how people say babe, and you're like, moratiwa, ratu, ratu, moratiwa, moratiwa, and you can shorten it like how you say babe. Ratu is moratiwa, my beloved, my love. Or you can say mokapelo, the one who has my heart, the one inside my heart. Mokapelo, mokapelo, the one that I love. Lorato lame, lorato lame, that means my love, my love. Moto wame, moto is person. Wame means belonging to me, belonging to me. Moto wame means my love. My person, moratu, ratu. Imagine the vocab. Now you can ratu when you're calling your loved one. Yes. So that's what you would call them. My love, moratua, mokapelo, motuame. I'm listening. I'm listening to you, my love. And then you might get to I love you, or I like you a lot. I love you. Ke a go rata. Ke a go rata. I love you. Ke a go rata tota. Ke a go rata thata. I love you very much. You know, I love you with a little bit more. Ke a go rata tota. Ke a go rata thata. I love you. Ke go rata ka pelo ya me yotlhe. Ke go rata ka pelo ya me yotlhe. Pelo is the heart, right? And so when you say moka pelo, the one inside my heart, and now you're saying ke go rata ka pelo ya me yotlhe, means I love you with all my being, with all my heart. I love you. I love you with all my heart. Right? But you're meeting this person. Let's say you're meeting them for the first time. So you're not going to be saying that. Otherwise, you're going to scare them away. You're going to say, I am happy to see you. Ki itumelela go go bona. Ki itumelela go go bona. I'm happy to see you. Ki itumelela go go itse. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to get to know you. I am happy to get to know you. I'm happy to meet you. That might be your first date. Before you say all the I love you, all the stuff, because you don't do that on the first date. FYI. Omotoame. Omotoame. That's when you're getting deeper, because you're saying, you are my person. Moto is person. Wami means belonging to me. Omotoame means, you're my person. I'm your person. We're personing. We're personing. You might even mix it with English. It's gahorata siras. Gahorata. Means I love you. Like, seriously, I don't know what to do with myself. I love you. So, you know how to give a compliment? You know how to express your love? Do it, and do it safely this festive season. Till next time. Bye.